This week's assignment is about the building enclosure. We are looking at 3 different topics: at the roof of a building, at the walls of a building, and at the openings in the membrane of a building, being in the roof or in the walls. We would like you to choose your examples of vernacular and modern or contemporary buildings, and to show them in your research in this following order: roofs, walls, and openings in the enclosure. We would like to compare how, for example, different cultures have responded to the same problem. For example, in terms of storms, like how do areas affected by storms, for example, in the south of the United States or Mexico, in the Caribbean, respond to natural disasters like storms? How do other cultures, like for example the Philippines and Japan or Southeast Asia in general, respond to storms? Every culture has found a different way to face these challenges and to protect their communities, their people, and their buildings through some innovative techniques. So we would like to compare the work of all the teams and to see what every geography has to teach us about the specific natural disaster and how a building responds to it. So you're presenting your research in parts. First of all, one part about the roofs, second, one part about the walls, and third, the building enclosure. We would like you to draw some conclusions that are also related to the framework of your research and also to the thesis in your research, which you have been defining throughout the lectures in this course from the very beginning until today. Post your assignment on our Facebook group so we can download it before our virtual meeting on Saturday. And please join us on Saturday at 11 o'clock New York time, which is 5 p.m. in Europe, or 4 p.m. Greenwich Mean Time, for our discussion, and we will spend a couple of hours with you, looking at your work, giving you feedback, and helping you take your research to the next level.